I don't know, Crush.
I don't know. What song should we sing, you guys? Talk to the camera, please. Talk to the camera. Talk.
I want. That's what you get when you let your heart out by Paramore.
It's just that's what you get, but okay.
But I'm a camera viewer, so I'm stupid.
No, sir. Well,
I don't want to be the blank.
Not anymore.
It's your turn. So take a seat, we're settling the final score. And why do we like to hurt so much? I can't decide. You have made it harder just to go on and
possibility where I was wrong. That's what you get when you let your heart win.
Whoa, and that's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, I drown out all my sins with the sound of its beating, beating, and that's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa.
Hey, make your way to me while baby.
Oh, looks like he's about to maul me.
Because I can't even make you not hit her boob.
Okay, now I'm going to seriously make up.
About his boob.